So here we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of this one. If we put x equal to minus 2 in this equation, then we'll get 0. Actually, by using Factor's theorem, we can easily solve it. So x plus 2, we'll write x plus 2 3 times. Okay. Now we will write second line from the third line. So how can we write? Look, here at first we will multiply 4x square. So 4x square into x, 4x cube. So first part done. Plus 4 to the 8x square. But here the question says 12. That means we need another 4. So 4x. So plus 4x into x plus 4x square plus 4 to the 8x. Now we need 5x. That means, so here we'll multiply by minus 3. So minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we can take x plus 2 as a common factor. So x plus 2 into 4x square plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So we can say x plus 2 equal to 0 or 4x square plus 4x minus 3. So we can write 4x square plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, or instead of this one we can write 4x square. So 4 3s are 12. That means we can write in this way 6 minus 2. So plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So here 2x is the common factor. So 2x plus 3 minus 1 is the common factor. So we can write 2x plus 3 equal to 0. If 2x plus 3 is the common factor of these two numbers, then we'll get 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So here we'll get three solutions. So first one is x equal to minus 2. Second one is we can write x equal to, from 2x plus 3 equal to 0, we can write x equal to minus 3 by 2. And from 2x minus 1 equal to 0, we can write 1 by 2. And that is the solution of this problem.